What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a camshaft position sensor on a 2014 Scion TC. Now this vehicle does have a 2.4 V4, actually 2.5 liter engine. It's a V4. This is my homie's car right here, Lolo. So we're going to go ahead and fix it. Right here we have the check engine light code for the P0368. So I haven't found a good video of showing you basically how to do this. Now, I'm assuming this is going to be sensor A and this is going to be sensor B. The reason that I suspect that is because this one is actually broken. So the connection right here is cracked. So, and you guys can see the little connections right here. The pins are kind of probably not making good contact in there. So that's probably going to be sensor B. The only thing that you need pretty much to replace this sensor is 10mm socket. You might need an extension if you can't get good access to that, but just the 10mm socket should be fine. I'm gonna use this pick to remove the connector right here because it's broke inside, as you guys can see. And then you also want to go ahead and disconnect your battery so that you're on the safe side and you don't short anything out. So just go ahead and disconnect your battery and set this off to the side. Now go ahead and just get your 10mm socket and remove the sensor out of the way. So that's the sensor. Now both of these sensors are basically going to be the same. So this is going to be the same for this side. If you're having the same code but it says sensor A, then most likely that's going to be your sensor that you need to replace. They both have the 10mm fastener holding them down. Just go ahead and wiggle it side to side and it'll break the connector right here and the sensor loose. Since the connector broke inside of this connection right here, I'm going to go ahead and try to remove it with this pick. So yeah, this connector is pretty broken, but we're gonna see if we can maybe save it. Alright, so this is what's supposed to be on this side right here to keep the connection secure. So it should be like that. We're gonna go ahead and see if maybe we can put like some electrical tape or some duct tape to just hold this in place. Because right here, this is what's going to be securing the connection. This little tab, it actually goes on the sensor when it's connected on there. So I just put some electrical tape around the outside of the connector so that the black part of the inside right here stays in place when we connect it. Now right here I have the replacement sensor. He did go ahead and get this at AutoZone, so there's a part number if you're interested. So this is the sensor right here. Before you install this one onto the engine, go ahead and get a thin layer of oil and just rub it on the outside of the O-ring so that it doesn't prematurely wear it out. You can just go ahead and get some of the oil from the old sensor and just rub it on the O-ring right here. So once you have your sensor in, go ahead and just hand tighten down this fastener. And then when you're tightening it down, don't over tighten it because it's plastic and you can break it. So just do with your hand at first and then just go ahead and finish it off with the ratchet. Just give it a quarter of a turn and that should be enough. So now just go ahead and connect your connector. Since it's already damaged, you don't want to force this in there, so just go ahead and be gentle. Alright, so now the last thing that we need to do is pretty much just connect the battery. And sometimes the check engine light will go away when you disconnect the battery. If not, we can go ahead and clear it with our code reader right here. We went ahead and ran the engine for about 10 minutes or so. I did go ahead and check to see if there's any codes. The only thing that I'm showing right here is that there's a historic code, but the engine does sound a lot better, and it sounds like it's running a lot better. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.